This is the demo video for Medicare Compare USA's online tools, which includes all three ancillary products: final expense, hospital indemnity, and dental. We're going to be walking through examples of all three of these tools today, and we'll go ahead and start with final expense. So we'll click Run Quote in order to start a new quote. Now, it's important to remember that with the Client Manager in this tool, we can always select a client from our dropdown, or we can enter a new client's name and select Create New Client, or we can go ahead and just enter a quick quote. So we'll enter our zip code, age, gender, tobacco status, and then either the face value or the monthly rate for the plan, the product type. We have many product types here, as well as the underwriting type, full or guaranteed. And then we'll go ahead and choose how we'd like to sort the results by and hit Get Quote one more time. This will bring up our results list sorted by price, so least expensive to most expensive. And you'll see the very first plan here is Senior Life Insurance Company. We have the carrier listed here, the plan, as well as the premium, the annual rate if there is one, annual fee if there is one, parent company, S&P rating, years in market, and then underwriting type, whether that be full or if it's guaranteed issue, that'll be indicated there. On the left-hand side of your screen, you can expand the quotes as they were, or you can contract them like you see now. You can click Apply Fees to see the annual fee applied. You can choose how the results are listed by premium rate type, so monthly rate, quarterly rate, semi-annual rate, or annual rate. We also have the application health questions listed in here, so if you select any one of these health conditions, perhaps any heart condition, we'll select that one here. It will load in this health condition and show what the look back period is for the particular carrier. So I'll wait for these to load in here. I selected any heart condition. You can see that for Senior Life Insurance Company, the look back period on the carrier's application asks if the heart condition is within the last 10 years. So if they've had a heart condition in the past 10 years, on Trinity Life, it is not on the application. So we can compare the different look-back periods for certain health conditions on the left-hand side of your screen. You can also, I'm going to remove this here, you can also choose to export the full results list by printing here, pressing the print button, or the PDF button, or you can always select a couple plans at once to compare. So if we do the export here on the main page, it will export every single available plan. But if we want to do up to 5 at once, we can select the bar at the top. It will turn green and populate under Compare Quotes. Then when we click Compare Quotes, it will compare the plans side by side. So we have all three plans listed here, and then we can choose to do a PDF or print of the three plans up to 5 at one time that we selected. I'll press the back arrow to get us back to the full results list, and then we can see the entire list of final expense plans that are available. To remove any plans from the Compare Quotes, we can simply click this X button, and to get back to the dashboard, we'll hover over Final Expense Life up at the top and then click on Dashboard. Next, we'll move to Hospital Indemnity. We'll click Run Quote. Again, the Client Manager is available for every single product, so you can select a client from the dropdown, enter the name of a new client, and click New Client, or we can go ahead and do a quick quote and just enter the zip code, age, gender, tobacco status, and how to sort the results. We'll go ahead and leave it at price, so we'll see our hospital indemnity plans sorted from least expensive to most expensive. We see what the monthly premium is, the plan here, the household discount if there is one, the policy fee. It talks about the hospital confinement benefits here, the optional benefits available if we go into the plan details, and then the included benefits as well. On the left-hand side of our screen, we can expand or contract the quotes. We can view the plan details here, and it will show us the plan details for this particular plan, and then we can actually customize the different benefit amounts, and it will show us how we would change the monthly premium based on the benefit amount we select. So we can actually really customize this plan to make it exactly what our applicant or our client needs. So take a look at that and how you can customize the plan. Then you can also print or PDF just this page of this plan with the selections that you chose, or we can click the back arrow to go back to the full results list. Again, similarly to all of the products that we have in the quoting tool, you can always click this bar at the top to turn them green, and then you can select just these plans side by side by clicking the Compare Quote options at the top of your screen. So this does work for every single product line. Again, you can choose the different benefit amounts and see how it will reflect for that monthly premium. We'll click the back arrow to get back to the full results list once more. Again, you can always print or PDF the entire results list. And we can do a few other things here. We can filter quotes by ones that contain the household discount, or ones without a policy fee. And we can also visit the carrier resources at the bottom, which will take us directly to that carrier's website if we click Visit Carrier Resources. I'll take us back to the dashboard. We'll move into the dental or vision quoting tool here. I should say dental and or vision. We can again select the client name if we'd like to pull in a client. If we do this, it will pull in that client's zip code, as well as their age, gender, and tobacco status. We can choose how to sort the results by, whether we'd like dental and vision or just one or the other. And then covered members, we can always select this as well. So if we select this dropdown, we have other options. We'll go ahead and click Get Quote. Again, we'll see the results listed by price, so least expensive to most expensive. And this is why the Client Manager is so helpful, because you can always select a client from the dropdown and it will automatically populate their information, so you don't have to remember all the details about one of your clients. The system will remember it for you. You just have to select their name from the dropdown. You can see our plans listed here from least expensive to most expensive. Again, like all plans, we can do the compare quotes by selecting the 3 up to 5 plans that we'd like to compare and hitting compare quotes. So you'll see that once you have the hang of one of the products, all of the tools are going to function very similarly, which makes it very easy for you to navigate the tool. You can do export by printing or doing a PDF, and you can also change on the left-hand side which quotes are showing. So maybe we want to expand our quotes, contract the quotes, maybe just see vision plans or just see dental plans. We can change these things to see the different views available. So this is an overview of the ancillary products offered through Medicare Compare USA's online quoting tool. We covered final expense, hospital indemnity, and dental. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.